Hi, I'm Michael from Alfatron Electronics, and welcome here at our Alfatron Electronics booth at InfoComm 2026. I'd like to share with you some new HDBaseT and HDMI matrices that we have released. So over on my left-hand side here, I'll start off with the 4x4 AVX-44H as well as the AVM-88H. So both these units are, as you can see, HDMI and HDBaseT inputs on all 4 inputs or all 8 inputs. It also features a completely separate audio matrix capability, so you can matrix your audio and your video separately on both units. Again, they feature LAN control and RS-232 control, as well as some RS-232 bypass and pass-through as well. To accompany these new HDBaseT matrices, we also have a new transmitter and receiver that will come with the system. So again, as you can see from the transmitter side, you have both an HDMI in and a USB-C in with an auto switch between the 2 units. Again, your audio output and your standard IR and RS-232 part of the HDBaseT side. In addition to the transmitter unit, you also then have your audio, your HDMI out and a HDMI in as well, which it can switch directly onto those 2 receiver units as well. Then lastly, we also have a new wall plate, that is the AVM-TX, and that is a similar design, similar concept as the transmitter unit, but in this case now it is built into the wall plate, and the wall plate and the transmitters and receivers will all be powered from the HDBaseT ports from the new AVM-44 and AVM-88H matrices. Well, thank you for joining us. For more information, please visit our website at www.alfatronelectronics.com.